Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is about healthy juices, smoothies and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure your post notification button is turned on so that you always get notified when you have a new video coming in. And those who've already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome to another video. Today's video, just from the title, I want to show you how you can do an anti-wrinkle juice. Yeah, I've had requests coming in like how can I reduce wrinkles on my face, how can I maintain a plumpy skin, a flawless skin. So this video I will show you how you can make a juice that you're going to drink and help you achieve an anti-wrinkle free skin. Now, we cannot avoid wrinkles, that's a fact, because as we age, wrinkles will come. But then we can slow down the aging process so that we can reduce the fast appearance of wrinkles in our faces. And that is why today I'm going to show you a juice that you can use, that you can drink, that will help you achieve a wrinkleless face, that slows down wrinkles appearing on your face so that you can achieve that flawless skin. So we are going to use just 3 ingredients to be able to make our anti-wrinkle or anti-aging juice. So we have our 3 ingredients here. I'll just prepare the ingredients as we make the juice. So the first thing we do is we add our water to the blender, and then the first thing we have is our beetroot. Beetroots are actually very good. They're best for wrinkles. I'm just using 1 beetroot. They're rich in folate, they're rich in vitamin A, and also they encourage a healthy skin because they increase blood flow through the skin. They have lycopene. Lycopene is very good, and it maintains skin elasticity and prevents skin sagging. Cucumbers are very good because they are very hydrating. That is why we are adding them, because we want to make our skin very good. You guys, hope you've watched the video that I did, our previous video that was talking about apples, green apple or red apple. I'll put the link up here. You'll be able to check it out if you've not checked it. Red apples are also very good. Generally, apples are good for skin radiance, so that is why we are using our apples here. There are other good benefits of apples, so make sure you check the video out. Apples are also good for an acne-free skin, so that is why we really need them to help improve our skin. So this is our final juice. Wow, it's very thick. This is very good. It's very good. This is our anti-wrinkle juice that is going to help like lessen the appearance of wrinkles in our faces. So it's very good. Make sure you try it out, you guys, and it's really going to help improve your skin. And by the way, check out the benefits of beetroots, the benefits of cucumber and apples separately. I have those juices. They'll appear in the links up here as the video goes on, so please make sure you check them out and enjoy and know the benefits of taking beetroots, taking cucumber and taking apples. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and please, before you log out, make sure you subscribe and wait for more videos. Thank you so much.